Do you know that limescale can cost you up to €500 per year? Remember to install a water softener in order to save money. Every millimetre of limestone sticking to a resistance increases your energy bill by 10% per year. A softener also saves you money on cleaning products. It allows you to considerably increase the life of your appliances by protecting resistances. Installing a softener makes your life easier. Your home will be much easier to clean and you will use less cleaning products. Keep water 100% drinkable by installing Solucalc, the CO2 softener. It uses CO2, which is the same gas found in beer pumps and sparkling water. By injecting CO2 into the water, Solucalc dissolves limescale in the water and prevents it from sticking. It is therefore evacuated with the water flow and is not able to stick anywhere. This chemical reaction has been known since the beginning of time. By installing Solucalc, your life will be easier, you will save money, and your water will still be drinkable. Solucalc, the CO2 softener, salt-free and maintenance-free since 2008. 5-year warranty, made in Belgium. More info at solucalc.com.